Okay, people, it is time. The Maserati has got its new toy in place. Oh, I don't think it captures the exhaust note when we start it up, but this is what we're concentrating on today. The plug-and-play Android unit that we've now installed into this beautiful Maserati Grand Cabrio Sport is all singing and all dancing. Straight into reverse, that's where I had the vehicle first, and you can see so smooth. Navigation, we've only just completed the work in the shop, so it's not going to pick it up because the GPS aerial obviously needs to initiate from the outside first. But again, such a super quick menu. Everything working off the steering controls as well. We won't violate any copyrights, but such a transformation from what this unit was originally, of course, and you've still got your sport, ice, park off and skid controls on there as well, and of course a host of ton features, being the apps that you can download as well through your app store. I mean, look at this configurability, and it really is going to make a difference on this particular vehicle, because even though it doesn't seem like it, every single one of these speakers has now been upgraded to the Hertz Mille range, including the rear 8-inch subs, tweeters, everything. This thing is sounding awesome. Unfortunately, we can't demonstrate that for you as well. The owner's looking forward to being the first one to hear it, so he's on his way in, and really we are best pleased to hand this car over. An absolutely stunning vehicle, and one of just many Maseratis that we are now doing, and we look forward to having you and your car in with us as well. 𝗦𝗧𝗘𝗥𝗢 from Audio Direct.